So I've had this PLA wood filament for a while now, as you can see, unopened, and I think I'm finally gonna put it to use. As luck would have it, I have a bike made out of bamboo, so I think I'm gonna make these match the rest of the frame. First, I'm gonna take some measurements of this end cap and hopefully put it in fusion. So I am not that good at Fusion 360. I don't really know what I'm doing most of the time, but this was not that difficult. It took me probably 15 minutes to do, um, and it turned out all right. Hasn't started printing yet, but interestingly, it actually smells like burning wood, which makes sense, but I did not really expect. This was a 33-minute print. This is the first iteration. I'm gonna go test it on the bike, see if it works. If it does, maybe I'll modify it a bit and print some more. Let's see if this goes in. Goes in pretty well. Maybe it's a bit too large. I think I'll shorten it a bit. Maybe I'll hit that with a mallet. Well, that's on. I think I will make some adjustments, maybe put a design on it, and overall, I am quite happy. Here I added some chamfers to improve print quality, and I pretty much just put my initials on it, but this took way longer than necessary because text confuses me. But again, probably only about 15 minutes. I don't think I spent more than half an hour total on designing this part. So I've got my bar ends, got my name on it, and I'm gonna pop these right on here. Got them on. One on this side, one on this side. You might ask, is a wood and PLA material good for use on a bike that is outdoors? And the answer is I don't really care. I only ride this bike in the summer in good weather. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm happy. I wish I got some better photos, but all my backgrounds are too dark or beige, and I'm not pulling that bike out of the basement until spring. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.